Hi, Ben here from G4 Guitar. Today I'm going to talk about these little things here. They're called guitar picks. Alright, so when you're starting out, you might obviously see people play the guitar, and you'll see them playing in all different types of ways, using either their fingers or these little things here called guitar picks. Now when starting out, it's probably best just to start with the pick. It's what I recommend, and then as you move on and to more advanced techniques like finger style, you want to then start looking at that sort of those sorts of methods and exercises to help with finger style. But to start out with, we're going to start, and I'm going to show you how to hold a pick. Alright, so the recommended thickness, because they come in all different thicknesses, they generally work off millimeter and as a thickness, and these ones are what are called medium gauge, anywhere from say around the 0.7 of a mil through to 1 mil are the ones that I probably recommend for starting out on. And as I said, as the more advanced you become, then whether you want to do jazz guitar, they use quite a thick pick, or sometimes I'll use a lighter pick for really light strumming, and it creates a much more airier sound. But for the purpose of the program, what I'm taking you through, we need a good all-rounder, and that's a medium-sized pick. Alright, so the next part I'm going to show you is the best way to start out holding the pick, and as you progress, it's going to it'll morph into what you feel is most comfortable for you. But when starting out, it's good to have a good starting point. Alright, so I'm going to use this pick here. So the best thing to do, left or right hand, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to use my right hand for most people that are right-handed. So the thing is, we're going to hold out our hand like this, like we're making a gun with our fingers, with our first finger and our thumb. Alright, so hold it there, and now we're going to curl and pull the trigger. Alright, so this is good for kids. They enjoy doing this, bit of fun. And so by pulling that trigger, what I've done there is created this last knuckle section here, and off that last knuckle we're going to place the rounded section of the pick, the full section, off that knuckle joint, and then we'll be able to cover our thumb over the top of it, not past the pick, but just to the edge of the pick, just to there. And by doing that, we've created quite a secure, firm way of holding the pick. Alright, so you want to practice this a few times as well. So you take it out, and what I do with my students, get them to shake their hand, reset their hand. Now make a gun, pull the trigger, and place the pick off the last knuckle joint there, and then cover over it with our first finger like that. And there we have, and you'll see that, and you want to make sure that the pointy side of the pick is nice and straight out from the thumb there. Alright, so here we go. It's kind of like, it makes a bit like a flag shape. Alright, so there we have it. You want to practice this, as I said, a few times, and after a while it will feel a lot more natural. Obviously when you start out, it feels a bit strange, so we're just practicing holding onto the pick. So hopefully that points you in the right direction, picks you in the right direction. Cheesy. Alright, see you next time.